Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, welcome back to my crafts corner. Today we are going to make beautiful Christmas centerpiece that will make your table look magical this holiday season. The best part is you can do this with simple items you can already have at home. Candle and spin cones centerpiece. Take a glass tray or plate, place 2 or 3 placed candles in the middle and around them with spin cones. Add a little fake snow or glitters for a winter look. If you have small ornaments, place them around the candle. It's simple but so elegant. Mensur jar centerpiece. Mensur. Take clear mason jar and fill them with fairy lights or small ornaments. Tie and red ribbon around the top of each jar. Arrange 3 jars in the center of your table. When the lights glow, it's give a warm and cozy Christmas feel. Mini Christmas tree centerpiece. Use a small artificial chairs or make one from paper cone. Warp in green felt or glitter paper. Place it on a cake stand or wooden tray. Decorate with tiny ornaments or beads. Add fake snow around the base for a snow looks. Flower arrangement centerpiece. Take a vase or a basket and fill it with red and white flowers, spin leaves and berries. Add a few small bells or ribbon. This gives a fresh and festive look to your dining table. Candy case vase. Take an empty jar or vase and hot glue candy case all around it. Tie a red bow and fill it with fresh flowers or green. It's cute, colorful and perfect for kids' table look. Tray arrangement. Friends, and viewers, take a wooden tray, place candles, small ornaments, pins, branches, and maybe even a mini center picture figurine. This type of centerpiece is easy to move around the look very classical Christmas bowl centerpiece. Take a big glass bowl, fill it with the shiny Christmas ornaments of different colors, red, golden and green and silver. Add some fairy lights inside the bowl for an extra glow. Remember, friends, Christmas